Today's video is about tissues, animal tissues, class 9. So under animal tissues, we have epithelial tissue, muscular tissue and nervous tissue. So epithelial tissue, you find three different types of tissues are there: squamous, columnar, cuboidal. So if it's cilia is there, so it is ciliated epithelial tissue is there. In the case of muscular tissue, striated or voluntary muscles, non-striated or involuntary muscles, and next is cardiac muscles. We'll be seeing about epithelial tissue, squamous, columnar and cuboidal. So this is a structure of squamous epithelium. This is about cuboidal, and this is columnar epithelial tissue. So we'll see what is epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue forms the outer covering of the skin and also the inner lining of the cavity, organs, etc. It performs various functions like absorption, protection, sensation and secretion. So under protection, so what are they? It covers the entire body surface, protective in function, protective against mechanical injury, chemicals, infection, etc. Ciliary projections in the nose trap dust particles and prevent entering into our body. So these are the, under protection, these are the points. Next one is sensation. So the next function is sensation. Sensory receptors present in the epithelial tissue of sense organs helps in transmitting signals from the sense organ to the brain. So this is what the next function. And the next function is secretion. Most of the glands are made up of epithelial cells, secrete hormones, enzyme, mucus, sweat, etc. Next one is absorption. The lining of the digestive tract contains villi, which absorbs nutrition from the digested food. So these are some functions of the epithelial tissue. So there are three types of epithelial tissue. Squamous epithelial tissue, one by one we'll just see that. This is squamous epithelial tissue. So it is a single layered. So the cells, they are thin, flat, scale-like cell, like how the scales are present on the fish. So they are scale-like with the cytoplasm and the nucleus in the center. So regarding the shape, it is irregularly round, not exactly round, somewhat round-like, and found in the inner linings of the body, organs, and also in the lungs, circulatory system, lining of the capillaries, you find the squamous epithelial tissue. Next one, function. Exchange of gases. So depends upon where the squamous epithelium is present, the function goes. In the case of lungs, if it is present, the exchange of gases there. Now in the case of capillaries, so there should be a frictionless movement of the blood, so that function differs there. In the case of any glands are there, so secretion will be there. Cuboidal epithelial tissue. The cells are cuboid in shape with a central nucleus. So this is cuboidal epithelial tissue. So they are cube-like. So functions, secretion, absorption and protection. So found in glands, kidney, tubules, eyes, ovaries, etc. Columnar epithelium. These tissues are single layer with a tall column-like tissues. A primary function is protection, secretion, absorption, ciliated and non-ciliated. So in this columnar epithelium, if cilia is found, it is ciliated columnar epithelium, and certain, if it is not there, it is non-ciliated. These are columnar epithelial tissue. So they are long, single layered, and they are long and tall column-like tissues. We'll go for muscular tissue. In this, we find the striated or voluntary muscles, non-striated or involuntary, and cardiac. So this three things are there. Skeletal muscle tissue. So they are also known as voluntary muscles or striated muscles. So 40 to 50% of the total body mass is due to the skeletal muscle tissue. They attach to the bones, tendons, and bring about locomotion. They consist of long multinucleated cells. So they are like this. So striated, they are long and multinucleated. Many nuclei are present. You find the striations here. So these are smooth muscle tissues or non-striated they are involuntary. So these muscles are not under our control. These skeletal muscles are under our control. So if you want to move our hands, can move. So it is under our will. The smooth muscles, they are not under our will. So muscle tissue, these are specialized tissues in the animals which applies forces to different parts of the body. Thus contraction, expansion, relaxation, it brings about locomotion. So these are some functions for the of the muscular tissues. So muscular tissues, what they are, it's a made up of thin elongated cell called muscle fiber which controls the movement of an organism. Muscle cells can contract, they are stretchable and responds to stimuli. Types, we find skeletal muscles, smooth muscles, cardiac muscles. Already we have seen there. Already we saw about skeletal muscles. Now we'll be seeing about smooth muscle tissue. These are involuntary, non-striated, found in the walls of the hollow organs, like for example foot pipe, windpipe, blood vessels, and they are controlled by the nervous system. So it is not under our control. So this is cardiac muscles. These are like they are branched. So here also you find the striation. Nucleus is there, but it is branched. Whereas skeletal muscles, they are not branched, they are multinucleated. As cardiac muscle, the similarities, it's quite similar, but cardiac muscles are branched and they are not under our control. So they are present around the muscles. The heart is made up of particular muscles. They are made up of this cardiac muscle. Involuntary muscle present in the heart, striated, short and cylindrical, and highly branched with a single nucleus.